What is up everyone? In this video, I will show you how to set up a sale on Etsy to increase your click-through rate and conversion on your Etsy listings. Let's go ahead and jump on my computer and we will get started. There are several benefits to running a store-wide sale on all of your Etsy listings. One is to set yourself apart in search results. You'll see here the ones that have a sale currently, they show the percentage off, the original price, and then the discounted price. So this is enticing for buyers to want to click on your listing and to learn more. Another reason why it's smart to run a sale on your listings is if a buyer comes into Etsy and they filter their search results by things that are on sale, just as you see here, they can go under special offers, click on sale, and then apply that. Their search results will only show things that are currently on sale. And so if you have a sale currently running on your store, they will show up in search results. If not, they won't see your listing just because it's not on sale. And now I will click on one of these listings so you can see what it looks like. So you'll see they show the original price, so it was $24.99. The discounted price with 10% off is $22.49. And what's also nice, it will show how much you save, so $2.50 at 10% off. It's an awesome way to encourage buyers to make the purchase because they'll see they'll be saving money. And when the sale comes to an end, if there's a day left or 2 days left, it will actually have a countdown for you where it will say you have X amount of days left before the sale ends, so hurry and buy now. So it's a super smart way to increase your conversion rate and your click-through rate. One thing to note though, if a listing does have a bestseller badge, meaning it has had high sale volume over the past 6 months, it will not show the bestseller badge in search results if you are running a sale. So I'll go back and show you. It does not show the bestseller badge here, but when you click through to it, it will show the bestseller badge. So that's something to keep in mind when you're running a sale and once you do receive a bestseller badge. I suggest removing the sale from that specific listing and just having it marked up to its original price or whatever you want it at. Because I believe the bestseller badge is more enticing than the sale itself. The bestseller badge shows that it's sold a ton and that the customers are happy with it, leaving positive feedback. But if you do not have a bestseller badge yet, I think it's so important to be running a sale. And I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. There are a few different strategies for setting up your sale in your Etsy shop. One is to keep the original price and then just to run the sale on that price point. Another is to offset the price, so increase the price so that it'll be at the exact price point that you want it to be at. And a tool that I use for doing this is the eRank profit calculator. In here, you can experiment with different prices until you get the exact price point that you want after discount. So you'll plug in your price here. This is $26.99. This is the price point before the discount. And then this is where you'd plug in your discount price. So if you're doing 10% off, plug in 10% off here, and this will show you your original price and then the price after discount. So this makes it really easy for doing the math to figure out the exact price point for you. And then after I figure out the price point that I want, I will come down here and I will continue to plug in the other numbers so I can figure out my exact estimated profit. So here I'll plug in my material cost for whatever I'm selling, and then I'll click calculate. And this will break down all of my fees. So this adds up my fees for me. So I have $2.39 in fees. And then my total profit is $5.61 after the sale is applied. So I highly suggest using the eRank profit calculator to figure out the exact price point for you so that you're making the exact margin that you want on your items. And now you'll want to go and adjust any of the prices in your store before building out your sale. And I'll show you how to do that. Over here on the Shop Manager dashboard, you'll go click on Listings and select whatever listings you'd like to edit the price on. And Etsy makes it really easy to bulk edit prices. So if you have a bunch of listings that you need to edit, you can choose by section down here if you have sections. And then up here on the left, you just select all the listings that you want to edit and select editing options and then edit prices and then bulk edit all of your listings. You can either do increase by amount or decrease by amount or set new amount, however you want to do it. And then once you add the price, you click apply. So really simple. If you just want to edit 1 or 2 listings, you can just go into the listing itself. Since I only have 1 listing on this store for tutorial purposes, I will show you how to edit an individual listing. So scroll down to the bottom here, and then you'll see your prices. You can bulk edit them all at once, or if you charge different prices per size or whatever it is, you can do them individually. And then you just select them all, update price, and change the price here. So it makes it really easy for editing the prices. So go and edit all of your prices. Once you have all of your prices set to the price point that you'd like them to be at, we will begin building out our sale. So over on the left-hand side, you'll click Marketing, and then click Sales and Coupons. And then over here on the left, you'll see Run a Sale. Shoppers can discover your sale in search, on your listings, and from Shop Home. So click Run Sale, and now we'll build out our sale. So you can choose percentage off or free standard shipping. I like to do percentage off. And for the discount, you can do 10% off to 70% off. And I like to do 10% off. And where is this valid? You can do everywhere or you can do specific countries. And I'll choose everywhere. And then for minimum order to qualify, You can either do a quantity, so they have to hit a certain quantity before the sale is applicable, or an order total, and I like to do none. And then for duration, you can set your sale to run for up to 30 days, or you can do just a day or two out. And there's a few different ways you can do this, and there's benefits to both. So if you want to set your sale for just a day or two out, it will actually show on Etsy that the sale is ending in X amount of hours. And I'll show you an example of that now. So over here is an example. This is running a 10% off sale. They'll save $2.70, and it shows here, highlighted in green, sale ends in 36 hours, which creates a sense of urgency and will hopefully help your buyer convert on this listing. And it's your choice if you want to do it this way, or you can just build your sale to run out for 30 days or whatever time frame that you'd like. And for this example, I will just be doing that. I'll set it for starting today. The max I can set it out is 30 days. So I believe I can go to, let's say, the 4th here. So June 4th. And then terms and conditions, it's optional what you'd like to put here. But if you want your sale to have restrictions or limitations or other terms, you'd plug that in here. And now we need to name our sale. So I'll call this Joy 10, and then once you have named your sale, you'll click continue down here in the bottom right corner. This is where we will add our listings now. So if you want to add all of your listings in your store, you can click add all active listings, or if you just want to add a specific single listing, you could search it here and then click add. Since I only have one listing in my store for tutorial purposes, I'll just click add all active listings, and now the sale will be added to this specific listing. So then you'll click review and confirm, and review the details here. And if the details are all good to go, you'll click confirm and create discount. And now it says success, your sale is now live. You can choose to add this to your different social media platforms if you'd like. So if you'd like to share it with your Facebook page, you can, or Pinterest, or you can tweet about it, or whatever social media platform you're marketing on, you can share your sale that way. So now we'll go and check out our sale and see what it looks like. So you'll see the sale was applied to this listing. We'll click on the listing. So the original price was $26.99. After the 10% discount, it's $24.29, and it'll show the customer will save $2.70. So this is a great way to help convert the buyer on the specific item. And I do like to make a note on my phone or on my computer for when my sale ends so that I can know I need to manually renew my sale so that it'll always be showing in my store. If you want to know how to set up a coupon for anyone that has ever abandoned a cart or have favored something in your store, check this video out right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.